Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ialuset Hyaluronic Acid Cream. First, ensure your hands and the affected skin area are clean and dry. This prepares your skin to fully absorb the cream's beneficial properties. Remember, proper preparation is key for effective treatment. We'll cover the application steps next, ensuring you get the most from this product. Before applying Ialuset cream, it's crucial to prepare your skin properly. Start by gently cleansing the area with a mild soap and lukewarm water. Rinse thoroughly to remove any residue. Then, pat the skin completely dry using a clean, soft towel. This ensures the cream can penetrate effectively and work its magic without interference from dirt or moisture. Now for the application itself. Squeeze a small amount of Ialuset cream onto your fingertip. Apply a thin, even layer directly to the affected skin area. Gently massage the cream into your skin using circular motions until it is fully absorbed. Do not rub too hard. This ensures the hyaluronic acid can effectively hydrate and support your skin's natural healing process. After applying the cream, remember to wash your hands thoroughly to remove any excess product. Allow the cream to fully absorb before covering the area with clothing or bandages, if applicable. For best results, use Ialuset cream consistently as part of your daily skincare routine. Store the tube in a cool, dry place to maintain its efficacy. Enjoy your hydrated and healthier-looking skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.